Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide WhatsApp chat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google WhatsApp, and you simply need to click on three dots and click on settings. Here you need to click on chats and you simply need to activate keep chats archived. Then you simply need to go back and select any conversation. So let me go back, and here you can see an option to add in archive. So you simply need to do that, and now you can see that the chats are now hidden in the archive. Here you can see that. So this is the only method possible to hide chats on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.